Divya will start the topic Roman numerals. Okay. So first of all, what are Roman numerals? So Roman numerals is a system which is very easy. There are two systems which we will study today. First is Roman and second is Hindu. Arabic numerals, and second is Roman numerals. Numerals means numbers. Numeral means numbers. And again Hindu Arabic numerals. Now see, we are using digits. 0 to 9. We are using digits 0 to 9. This is also called symbols. In Hindu Arabic, we are using 10 symbols, that is 0 to 9. To form any number in Hindu Arabic, we are using these 10 symbols. For example, 47. In 47, I have used 4 and 7. Out of these 10 symbols, I have used 2. So to form any number, I always take digits from this. Means, or you can say symbols from this. Hindu Arabic numerals are those numerals which we are using in day-to-day life. Suppose I ask you to write 94. So how to write 94? 9 and 4, right? 9 and 4 you will write. Again, from these digits you have used these two, right? So the numbers which we are using are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. They are also called Indo-Arabic. Okay? Hindu-Arabic numerals are also called Indo-Arabic. Clear? Now coming on to Roman numerals. To form any number, Romans are using 7 symbols. To form any number, Romans are using 7 symbols. These are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So these are the 7 symbols which Romans are using. This is I. Okay. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, and M stands for 1000. Also, we use K to write 1000. Nowadays, we are using WhatsApp language, right? So, to write 25,000, what we are writing? 25K, Hana? So, Romans are using 7 symbols, and in Hindu Arabic there are 10 symbols, 0 to 9. There is only one difference between Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic. In Hindu Arabic, 0 is there, but in Roman numerals directly they start from 1. Okay? Roman numeral directly starts from 1. Now, there are few rules of writing Roman numerals. There are few rules of writing Roman numerals. So I am telling you the rules for writing Roman numerals. First one is VLD. There are total 10 symbols, right? How many symbols are there? Total 7, not 10. Okay. So there are 7 symbols. Out of 7, these 3 symbols VLD never, they will never repeat. Okay, you can't use VLD more than one time. You can't use VLD more than one time. But I, X, C and M, these four symbols you can repeat, but maximum of 3 times, not more than 3 times. If you want to repeat any of these symbols, you can repeat, but maximum you can repeat 3 times, not more than it. Suppose you need to write 2, so you will write I 2 times. If you want to write 4, you can't write I 4 times because you can't repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Okay, this is the first rule. Second rule, repetition of Roman number. Repetition of Roman number means addition. Repetition of Roman numbers means addition. Like I said, I and I have repeated I. This means I plus I is equal to 2. So repetition of any Roman numeral means addition of both. Clear? Now, coming on to third rule. If the smaller symbol is placed on the right hand side of the greater, this means you have to add both. See, X is greater than I. X means 10 and I means 1. So this means the greatest symbol is on left hand side. Whenever the smaller symbol is on the right hand side, you have to add both. Whenever the smaller symbol is on the right hand side, you have to add both. X stands for 10, I stands for 1. So now together they mean 11. Okay? So whenever smaller symbol is placed on the right hand side, this means you have to add. And whenever the smaller symbol, now fourth rule, if the smaller symbol is placed on the left hand side, means you have to subtract the smaller symbol from greater. This is greater, this is smaller. Now this is on the left hand side. Now subtract the smaller from greater. That's why this means 9. Okay? I am repeating third and fourth rule. If the smaller symbol is on the right hand side, this means you have to add both. And if the smaller symbol is placed on the left, this means you have to subtract smaller from greater. Okay? Now next, rule number 5, VLD. I can be, just give me a minute. I, X, C. If I is on left, it means subtract. If I is on right of greater, this means add. Because if smaller symbol is on right, add. Smaller symbol is on left, that means subtract. So I can be only added and subtracted from V and X. I can be used before and after V and X only. Okay? X can be used before and after L and C only. X can be used before and after L and C only. Similarly, B can be used before and after. C can be used before and after D and M only. Clear? Now the last rule, sixth rule. this means this is 10, so it's 10 only. So this I will be subtracted from this. Means this you have to follow. The smaller one will be operated by the next